Guy, whoever did it was, I like to call him professional.
No. We going 5% on my front window here, so if I get a ticket, I'm sending it to Justin. Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Q. You know who and I. Back with another video. So same day that all this stuff happened with my truck being broke into, man. Actually got an auto guy out here to fix it right now. It was basically out of the other 4 guys, this guy found this guy, and so he already done theirs, so now he's doing mine. Since he was here, I might as well do it. Insurance, my deductible was $500. He's gonna charge me $350 to fix it, so there's no point to put it on my insurance claim. I have to pay more money, and it goes on my insurance. So I just say, you know what, let's just go ahead, let him fix it, and everything like that. So you need me to take this out? This in the way? Okay, you can just put it over there. Yeah, you can just put it over there. I ain't want to. I know, right?
I'm not Muslim. I'm not Christian.
Okay.
I have respect for all of them.
Had pretty good business today with all this happening, man.
Well, I was already busy.
Oh, really?
With a dealership that I do a lot of job for them.
Okay.
And then you guys called.
Yeah.
And I decided to take all.
3 of the same. Makes sense. I want to see what this is like, man. Right now he's doing them. I guess that's the motor, the window for the motor.
That's the door handle.
Oh, door handle. Okay. Oh, look at that glass. There it is. How it looks for you all. Sheesh. Dang, you gotta take all that out just to get to the sheesh. Y'all can see, y'all probably can't see this glass. The door speaker has to come off. So if I guess correctly, this whole panel has to come off?
No.
Oh, no? Okay.
That's all we are able to get up.
Okay.
Just the key to turn on the switch.
Oh, you want me to go turn it on for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Good? I mean, I ain't never seen nothing like this done before. No. It's okay if I pay with card. I can't go to the bank.
That's
okay.
fine.
I just have to pay the taxes. Gee. So I gotta see this. You need help? You good?
I'm good.
All right. So this is how you push the glass back in. Okay. That's supposed to happen?
Big click.
Now I got a question. Do you clean out the glass down here or no?
Yeah.
Okay. Sheesh. That's scary. I'm like, ooh. Is it tint on this glass already?
The color of the glass, it's privacy. Factory color.
Okay. So no tint, just factory color.
No. Start the car.
It's stuck?
Started.
Oh, start the car. All right. Okay. Oh, you already got a vacuum and everything. So you're gonna go ahead and get all that glass and junk out of there. Yeah, man, it kind of sucks if you did this and you're watching this video, man. You know, I don't know if I'm mad. I mean, it sucks, you know. You work hard for stuff if you're watching this video. If you did this, if you're the person who's responsible for watching the video, man, I honestly just say, you know what, I don't know. Like I pray for you. You know, yeah, it sucks. It's an inconvenience. Yeah, I don't really know. I mean, I just I hate that it had to happen. But I pray for you. I forgive you for it, whatever. But yeah, blessed. I'm thankful I was able to get it fixed because right now everything going on, man. Some people probably lost their jobs and are not able to get this fixed. So I'm definitely in a blessed situation to have gotten to be able to get this fixed. That was my main thing. Like what the person this happened to couldn't afford to get it fixed. So yeah, I mean, it still inconveniences me too. It's not like I just but it's just happened, man. You just how you react to it, how you respond to it. You just pick up and you keep moving. That's the best thing I can say. Actually, I just saw this. When they broke in, they actually scraped this right here as well. Scraped.
Yeah, that's the glass.
Oh, the grass scraped it.
When it's shattered,
yeah,
falling off and stuff like that.
Yeah, so yeah, it happens, man. That's life. It happens. Got a few glass down here, but it's gonna be okay. Yeah, they cracked it pretty good right there. I think it's the same thing on the other side, the other corner. So is it easy for glass to shatter if you hit it at the corners? That's why they did that? Like they hit it here? They tried the corners
this
first.
Glass is laminated.
Ah, okay.
The guy, whoever did it was, I like to call him professional. A little bit more professional.
Oh, really?
Those, sometimes you see homeless people, they break in.
Yeah.
Homeless people, they screw up the whole thing.
So you think this guy was professional who tried to break
this? This guy was professional, and you see, they hit you with either automatic center punch or they throw the ceramic pieces to shatter. Ceramic pieces will shatter the windows, tempered glass. Yeah. But it will only crack the windshield or laminated glass.
So this guy knew what he was doing. What they knew they were doing.
He was a professional, but he was outdated a little bit. They didn't know F150 started in 2015. Front door glass or laminated.
Oh, I don't know if I want to put that in the video or not. I don't want to give nobody no tips.
Hey, it's better because these are very expensive. Comparing them with those.
Yeah, it's true. Dummy here forgot to cut my lights off. Forgot to cut my lights off. My battery just died, so got to get ready and jumped here really quick. I need to get one of those, man. That thing pretty handy. I'm like, where you get this from?
Snap-on truck. This is Blue Point brand, a little bit cheaper. Instead of 500, you pay 300 for this.
Oh, still about 300? Okay, they're better than 500. All right, guys. So everything is done. He got the windows finished. Sorry, I feel like the video has been all over the place, but everything's done. Got the windows, new windows put in here, so you can see there and here. He did tell me that I noticed two things. Y'all probably saw that in the video. I'm not sure if I caught it. Show y'all really quick, but we're just gonna start the truck. For one, down here in the door, listen. Oh, copyright. Hold up. See, for one, you hear it down here. Let's see if you hear it. I'm sure y'all hear that. Still a lot of glass down there for one. Two, the window goes down fine. On the way up, it gets kind of slow, right? Actually, that's a little faster than it was last time, so maybe it's settling in, but anyway, I still hear glass falling. Yeah, definitely a little faster, but he said there's probably some, God, that sounds bad. There's probably some glass stuck in the motor, yes, that goes up and down, so it's probably causing it to go a little slower than normal. But yeah, man, everything's all back together. I'm upset, because I don't know, you work hard for stuff and then somebody just come take it. They didn't take the truck, but this still cost me in the end. The glass was $375 to get both of them fixed. And then for me to get my windows tinted, it's probably gonna be $100 plus some dollars again. So that's like $500 right there, that I have to kind of come out of pocket to get everything fixed up. But so y'all just be safe, take care of yourself, man. I don't know if I said this, but the police did not come out. But they didn't come out on the original call, but so many people happened. They finally sent one officer out, but they told us, he's like, yeah, we're trying to limit our interaction with the public. Unfortunately, because we're trying to keep our officers safe. The more officers we have on the street, the better. If they all get sick, it's even worse. But I'm not sure they happen to y'all, but in Dallas, they actually announced in Dallas County that police will not be responding to burglary calls or anything like that. Like, why would you announce that on TV? For the crooks just like, hey, let's go out, let's do our thing. You know, that was dumb. Learn from my video. Don't leave stuff in your car. If you're leaving stuff in your car, like guns especially, I know somebody over there lost 2 guns. Don't leave that stuff in your car, man. It's just not worth it. Take that stuff with you. Apparently, they stole somebody's credit card, and the people who stole it swiped it and used it. So I'm on my way to get my tint done. I'm gonna ask Jess, I'm curious how they're gonna do this, because when I first took my truck to get it tinted, so it's supposed to be social distancing and everybody staying home in Dallas. Man, everybody is still outside. Now, we might just have a lot of central people here. Dallas is pretty big, but it's still traffic, man. Like, I'm still running to traffic everywhere I go. Yeah, anyway, I mean, the traffic has been a lot worse, but I don't think many people staying at home. I'm curious how they're gonna do it, because when I first took my truck, I originally had 35% tint on the front windows already. They didn't peel it off. They just put the 20 on top of the 35. So I'm pretty sure that may have made it a little darker.
Vehicle stopped on shoulder ahead.
Thank you. I'm sure that made it a little darker than standard 20%. So I'm gonna ask them about that. Like, are you just gonna put 20 back on? Is it gonna match up to my driver window now, since this has 20 on top of 35, and this is just factory. My passenger is factory glass now. So I'm curious to see how they do that. You about to go ahead and take it to the back? It looks good. She looks good. I was just talking to him, and I didn't catch it on camera for you all, about the whole, my driver's side window. Remember, they just put 20 on top of the 35. He said, yeah, it might be a little different. He like, it just go 5% in the front. I was like, no, I don't want to do 5. He's like, yeah, you might be able to tell the difference from the inside driving. It might not be as dark. Basically saying, too bad they don't have a like a 10 or 15 somewhere in the middle. That way I can, you know, kind of offset that difference. Like, I think a 15% would have been perfect, because probably about read by 15, but they don't have that, so we just got to go to 20%. So it might be a little different, unfortunately. He said we could strip both sides and then strip and put 20/20, but then we'll be stripping perfectly good tint, excuse me. And I agree. I'm like, man, just put the 20 on there. But we'll see how it looks. Hopefully it doesn't look too bad. This is Justin. Say what's up, man.
What's up, man?
Did you see yourself in this last video?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Dude, so actually, he sold his truck. I wish I would have seen it when you put the wheels and all that stuff on it. But now you got a new truck, right?
Yeah, I just had to do it to him.
Yeah, he said he had to do it. So he got a new, I thought it was going to be, he got a new F-150. 2019.
Yeah.
Okay. Why did it change again?
Just wanted the 3.5.
I got you. Okay, because you had the 2.7. Yeah.
It's a good starter, you know. And
Yeah.
I just wanted a little bit more, you know.
Okay, I got you. Yeah.
I don't know. And I wanted a 4-wheel drive.
Yeah.
I couldn't afford it when I bought the last truck. So.
Okay. So you say you're not doing the lifting tires and nothing like that this time, right?
Just level.
Just the level. Okay,
now,
just level again. All right.
Like next couple of years.
Okay. All right, good. So y'all go check him out. I know y'all fought the last time. I went to your page. I like, dude, your truck was bad, bro. Your truck was bad. But anyway, so he got his girlfriend car, and he just got it tinted. He said 5 on the back.
Yeah, 5 over factory tint.
Okay, and then
20 over factory
dude,
tint.
this 20, guys, this 20 looks dark. I mean, it is raining too.
Check out the
coverage.
inside.
Check out the inside.
It's freaking dark.
Oh yeah, it is nice and dark in here. I like that though. It's a privacy feel. Like, it's been crazy riding around. One side of my truck tinted and the other side not. It's weird, man. It feels super
around back,
weird.
I was like, what the hell?
But yeah, so he got her hooked up, and she can't nobody see nothing in there at all. Oh shit. Dude, what are these? He's 12? I mean, 212s. Holy shit. Yeah. So no, wait, hold up. For copyright purposes, man, you gotta choose like a YouTube song, huh? Let me see. Huh? Yeah. Let me play I got some YouTube song download on my thing. Hold on real quick, guys. Let me get this. This is clean. This looks nice. There you go. Yeah. Oh shit. Dude, this thing is in. Dude, this that's in the back and here. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm getting a massage. Dude, my ears are yeah. sound good, man. Oh, my bad, fuck.
Yeah, man. It's JL quality, man.
Yeah, dude.
That's the entry level JL.
The car's clean. I mean, I'm not sure if this you or her, but if you're watching this, you got a clean car. You don't see hair and brushes and pink stuff everywhere. Yeah, my truck is tuned.
Yeah, it's fucking fast, isn't it, man?
Yeah, I'll let you try if you want to like.
No, I mean I have mine. It's the
Okay.
same thing.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Are you tuned by You said what's called a sponsor you last time?
SCT.
Huh?
SCT.
Yes. Yeah. So you back tuned by them? You got your new one tuned by them?
But the thing is, on the 2018 and up, you get 150 horsepower with the tune.
150.
Yeah.
So MPT promised. Well, they said 100.
100.
Yeah, 100 for the EcoBoost.
It's an older truck.
Oh, okay, makes
For some
sense.
reason,
Yeah.
They did something different with the motor in 18 and 19.
Okay.
I don't know what, but you can tune.
Yeah.
I guess they're more tunable or something.
Right. Huge difference, though, right? From stock to tune.
Oh my God,
yeah,
man,
dude.
holy shit. I've done one 4-wheel drive launch.
Oh, have you? I'm scared to launch mine in 4-wheel, man.
Oh man.
So hold up,
you can take it. I mean, with the bigger tires, I wouldn't. But
yeah, exactly. That's why I was about to say.
I know a guy that he does hundreds of runs on his. Every time 4-wheel drive boosts a launch.
Yeah.
He says he boosts it up to like 2,300, 2,500.
Okay.
That's a rip.
He got bigger wheels and tires?
No.
Oh, just stock. Just stock. I've been wanting to do it, but I'm scared with the wheels and tires doing it, man.
But man, he could run like he beat a Camaro ZL1 in the quarter.
What?
Yeah.
And he
the
has,
ZL1 caught up to him like at the end of the
yeah, of
quarter.
course, the top
He
end.
beat him by like
Oh yeah,
a tenth of a second.
Oh yeah, off the line. I'm pretty sure the ZL1 probably spun a bit, maybe.
He didn't get a good run, honestly.
Which he didn't.
The ZL1 didn't, but it was.
Yeah,
he
I
got
mean,
a decent
still,
run.
a ZL1 is
Still.
like a $60,000 car. I mean, a truck is
I
expensive.
mean, he could have got a better run, but he got a decent run.
Yeah, that's crazy, man. Well, anyway, yeah, this is girlfriend car. It looks good. I like the tint. So actually, guys, update. I'll talk about this. We going 5% on my front window now. We gonna go 5%. The tint guy, Justin says, it's probably gonna look more equal. Closer to the driver's side, since we have 20 over 35, so we just gonna go 5. So if I get a ticket, I'm sending it to Justin.
Off-road use only, man.
Alright, so red is all done. Went 5%. Let's see what we got. So we went 5 in the front. Okay, it looks about the same. And then back is dark. Cool. So yeah, it does matches up nice. I'm glad we went 5% because it definitely matches up well. Yeah, that's about perfect. Perfect. Looks good. Me and Justin just had some good conversation. Justin, man, appreciate you watching this video. Good guy. Anyway, so we did 5 on the front, and that's 20% over whatever's factory on the back. So looks pretty good, matches up pretty well with the front. So I'm happy about that. I just didn't realize I had 5% tint on my front windows. I don't, but with the 20 over 35, he says about 5%. So yeah, we gonna see. My inspection is due now. It's due next month, so I gotta find some way to get this thing freaking inspected. This cost me about 54 bucks for the 2 windows. Again, appreciate you, Justin. Total cost of this whole break-in thing cost me about $400 and about $25, man, to get the windows refixed and get the windows fixed and re-tinted. So definitely could do something better with that money, but it is what it is, like I said. But anyway, man, that's all I got. Thank y'all for watching, man. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Y'all have a blessed day. Peace.